Every commercial espresso machine starts with raw engineering materials.
Design defines how precision becomes performance.
Accuracy begins with perfectly cut components.
Structural strength supports daily performance.
The boiler is the heart of the espresso machine.
Pressure control defines espresso consistency.
Thermal flow is engineered with precision.
Electronics bring intelligence to the machine.
Extraction quality starts at the group head.
Steam control defines barista performance.
Form and structure unite through precision.
Intelligent control enhances precision brewing.
Flow accuracy ensures extraction consistency.
Thermal stability protects coffee flavor. The group heads are maintaining temperature perfectly.
Yes, right within the tolerance levels.
Safety is engineered into every system.
Built to perform without interruption.
Finishing elevates engineering aesthetics.
Every detail is carefully verified.
Performance proven through real extraction.
Engineering excellence, officially approved. Brand identity completes the machine.
Protected for professional delivery. Ready for cafes around the world.
Pure engineering satisfaction.